Yes, my good children of primary 2, I once again welcome you to this mathematics lesson. Very many of you call it numbers. It's okay when you call it numbers, when you call it mathematics, it's okay, but it's all about counting, dividing, adding, subtracting, multiplication, and others. So, remember we are still looking at our topic, that is number sequences. Under our lesson 8, and our lesson 8 is saying completing division tables. Here we are all about dividing numbers, dividing whole numbers. Remember, in our lesson 7 we looked at multiplication of whole numbers. Now here we are looking at division of whole numbers, which are in the box. So we are going now to complete our box, our table. Let us complete our table. It is saying, example 1 is saying complete the division table below. Remember, I told you that here we multiply, rather this is a division sign, we divide a row by a column. So that's why we say 8, we divide this by 2, let's get an answer here. 8 divided by 4 is you get an answer here. 8 divided by 8 you get an answer here. Let us look forward to fill these spaces. We shall say, space number 1, we shall say it is 8 divided by, remember this is a division sign. That's why we say 8 divided by these 2. What do you get? 8 divided by 2. I told you that 8 divided by 2, you will just get your 2. Assume that maybe these are children or these are you divide it by 8. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many does each get? Each gets 1, 2, 3, 4. So here each gets 4. So after getting 4, you will come and put it here. Each gets 4. Let us look at here. They divided 8 divided by 4. They got 2. Let us divide 8 divided by 8 to see what we get. 8 divided by 8. What do you get? 8 divided by 8. We'll count maybe 80 children. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You assume that these are children. Maybe these are children. You are dividing among 8. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 divided by 8, each gets how many? 1. I see each one getting 1. So it means that 8, when you get 8 divided by 8, everyone will get 1. Here is also another dash. We have to fill it. Remember, this is in 16. 16, we divide it by this 8 to get the answer here. We get this 16, we divide by this 8 in order to get the answer here. So here should be 16 divided by 8. What do you get? When you get 16, we divide it by 8. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You assume those are children. Divide among 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So each gets how many? 1, 2. This one gets 1, 2, and others also gets 1, 2. So here, so you say the answer is 2. 16 divided by 8 here, you get 2 as your answer. So this is the way we should divide these numbers. You get a row, you divide it by a number in a column. 8 divided by 2, you get this one. 8 divided by 4, you get this one. 8 divided by 8, you get this one. Then you go to 16. 16 divided by 2, you get 8. 16 divided by 4, you get 4. 16 divided by 8, you get 2. 24 divided by 2, you get 12. 24 divided by 4, you get this one. 24 divided by 8, you get 3. So thank you for paying attention to that example. Let us look at our example 2 here. Let us look at our example 2. So our example 2 is saying completing division table. Of course, here the question will say complete the division table below, or complete or fill in the spaces provided in the table. So we divide 6, we divide it by this one, hence getting an answer here. We divide 6, divide by 3, getting an answer here. Divide 6, divide by 6, getting an answer here. So let us see. When you divide 6, you divide it by 2. What do you get? Let us see. 6 divided by 2. What do you get when you get 6 divided by 2? Let's see. 1. Let us count. Start dividing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each person gets how many? 1, 2, 3. So each person gets 3. Put it there. 3. Another one is saying 6 divided by 3. Let us do our example here. 6 divided by 3. It is 6 divided by 3. What do you get? When you get 6 divided by 3, the answer there. So 6 divided by 3, what do you get? 1, 2, 3. Assuming these are children, you start dividing 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each gets how many? Each gets 1, 2. So each gets 2. You come and you put your 2 here. Then we go to our next example or the next step. 18. They divided 18 by 2 to get 9. They divided 18 by 3 to get 6. Now we have to divide 18 divided by 6 to get the answer here. 18. You say 18 divided by 6. What do you get? This 18 divided by this 6, we have to get the answer here. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us divide 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So each person gets how many? 1, 2, 3. So each gets 3. So you just come and put your 3 there. After that, we are reading with 2 dash. They are saying, so we are going to divide this 24. They divided it with 2 in order to get 12. Now we are going to divide 24 by 3 to get the answer here. 24 divided by 3. What do we get? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Each gets how many? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each gets 8. So after getting 8, you come to your space and fill it. Each and every person gets 8. After there, we are remaining with 1. That is 24. 24 divided by 6, hence getting an answer here. It is 24 divided by 6. What do you get? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Each person gets how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each person gets 4. So after getting 4 there, you will come and put your 4 here. So that's how we complete the table by dividing numbers, dividing whole numbers. So my dear children of primary 2, I thank you very much for paying attention. I thank you very much for being here with me, consolidating all these concepts of mathematics, because mathematics is a very interesting subject. You should all adopt and love it with your heart. So please, I want you to write the activity that has been sent to you. Please write that activity and you send it back
for marking. So we meet the next time. Thank you very much for your time.